Welcome to our channel. If you need to use Google Translate without an internet connection, follow these step-by-step instructions to download languages and translate offline during your travels. Step 1. Open the Google Translate app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store first. Step 2. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi before downloading language packs, as they can be large files that consume mobile data. Step 3. Tap on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app to access settings. Step 4. Select offline translation or downloaded languages from the menu options to view available language packs. Step 5. Tap the plus icon or download button next to the languages you want to use offline during your trip. Step 6. Wait for the language packs to download completely. Each language is typically 40-50 MB in size. Step 7. Once downloaded, you'll see a check mark next to the language indicating it's available offline. Step 8. When offline, simply open Google Translate and select your downloaded languages from the drop-down menus. The app will automatically use offline translation when no internet connection is detected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.